I wasn't even close to you. What are you talking about?
I don't trust anybody.
Jalapeno stabbing. Do you have a song for us today?
I never had a dream
Come true.
till the day that I found you. S Club 7, if you're watching.
Nailed it. Pull up my hands first. Hey, all you Betty Crocker or Betty Boop lovers out there. Welcome to
The best cooking show in the world.
Two Chefs
One knife.
and
Cornbread day.
a recipe test day.
Yeah, we're gonna do Betty Crocker's cornbread recipe.
Nice.
And we're gonna add stuff
If you're
to
gonna
it.
do Betty Crocker, might as well be her cornbread.
Why not?
Why not? All right. Well, if you're tuning in for the first time, where the heck have you been? I'm Chef MPH.
I'm Chef Grace / Chef Yam.
I'm just in for the ride.
Okay, so I am gonna do the cornbread batter. So we got some milk, so 2 eggs go in like that.
Are you making cornbread or are you doing the Rocky Balboa power shake?
2 cups of milk, 2 eggs.
Yeah, now you're gonna karate kid
We're
it.
gonna karate kid it. And then I have my dry ingredients. My favorite part, I'm gonna sift everything all together. We got 2 cups of flour. I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna sift that. I'm gonna add my sugar. That's a lot of sugar. It's a cup of sugar, and then I have 2 cups around. Check the description of cornmeal because I don't remember the quantities. Again, whisk this all together.
What's the difference between cornbread and a corn muffin?
Pretty much nothing. It's just the shape. Add my milk and egg mixture to here, and then butter as well. We got half a cup of butter, and again, you just want to incorporate it till it's just mixed because you don't want to overwork the gluten.
Because you don't want to whisk a thing.
Okay, so this is the basic recipe, nothing in it, but we're going to spice it up a little bit.
La, la,
La,
la.
la, 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 la.
Choppy time for the master chopper because, yeah. If you don't know what we're talking about, watch the video on watermelon. So we're gonna spice up this cornbread with a little bit of fresh cilantro. So we're gonna hit it with some cilantro, just like that. Pow! Then we're gonna take a green onion. We're gonna trim it, and then you don't want them too thick. You don't want to be biting in the big hunk of onion. Even though I pretend that I moved on, you'll always be my baby. And we got these little bad boys. Ready? What I like to do is just cut them in half. So we're not going to use the seeds and all that in this recipe because we just don't want the seeds in there. So you just kind of push the top part as flat as you can, lay your knife flat, and just slide it right across and let it all comes off just like that. And then we're just going to do nice little strips. There we go. And go back the other way. And we have a nice small dice of jalapeño. I'm going to throw that in there. And then let's see that in an instant replay. I never found the words to say. You're the one I think about each day. And then we got some queso. So there we go. We got the cilantro. We got the onions. We got jalapenos. We got cheese. So we did not overstir it because Chef Yam gets mad at me when I do that.
I don't get mad at you. When have
So-
I gotten mad at you? Except for today.
We felt we'd like to do this part together. All right. I'll spray.
We have this nice portion scoop. You
We
can
do.
use a spoon, but this is good for consistency.
Yeah.
You just want to fill it, not, what, 3/4 of the way? 3/4 of the way?
3 hours. That
Okay.
sounds good.
Yeah, okay.
This is really nothing for me to
Yeah.
do right now, so I'm gonna take a union break. By the way, another thing you can put in this if you want to, some corn niblets.
Yeah.
We don't have any corn because we're on a tight budget
Yeah,
right
we
now.
are. Okay, so let's say you feel like corn dogs, but you don't want to deep fry any corn dogs.
What do you
What
do?
do you do? Why don't you show them?
I got many dogs. So what you're gonna do is you take a hot dog.
Put it right in.
Look at that.
Ta-da.
Hey, and for that guy that likes it really spicy.
I'll be right back.
Oh.
365 for 12 to 15 15 minutes.
Ready?
Okay, we'll be back. 12-15 minutes. You stick a toothpick in, and if it comes out clean, then it's done.
Isn't that what I said? Ta-da! It's like a puppy's belly. Okay, Grace. Pick the 6 that have a hot dog. That was legit. Now it's just too legit to quit. Where am I?
Okay.
All right, let's eat them.
Let's eat it.
I'm going for a hot dog one. Do you know when you can tell when your muffin's done? It goes. I guess just cheers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break mine in half though.
Me too. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, it's still hot. It's steamy. Ooh, see the steam. Damn, that's good.
Mmm.
Now I know why Betty Crocker has her name on her box. Why are you laughing? Going in front of the dog. Ready? Oh. Hot dog's gone. Damn, we're good with a hot dog.
Is it?
We're good with a hot dog. Did we just become that guy in the movie The Green Mile with his cornbread? Yep.
Yep.
Nice job. I didn't get to my love ballad part. You'll always be the dream that fills my head. Yes, you will. Say you will. You know you will, oh baby. You'll always be the one I know I'll never forget. There's no use